What are we doing?
We're cleaning the head. You cleaned it pretty good, but we're gonna clean it some more.
How are we gonna do that though? We don't have a power washer here.
We're gonna go to the car wash. Smart baby. Isn't she cute?
So precious. Wait, just hold on. I'm not recording yet. Just keep holding on. I'm not recording yet.
You just tell me when.
I'll tell you when what?
We're live.
Oh, I've been recording the whole time.
Oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome to the next installment of Project Miata R. We need to prep this beautiful head today. We're gonna take her to the car wash, get her all nice and spiffed up, and blow dry her clean.
Brian, don't you usually take a whole car to the car wash?
No, just the head. That's all you need.
Is that a normal thing?
Oh, don't film her. She's dirty.
Sick.
Hey, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see us put this girl through the paces. I got one already.
Quinn's gonna be so mad.
I gotta wipe my skid marks.
He's deady.
No good. Gotta let that down hard.
So what are we doing here, Brian?
So before we get this power washer fired up, it's a good idea to get some engine degreaser, or in this case we have some R-Dex, all-purpose cleaner. It says it's for engines, interiors. I've used this stuff a lot, it's really good. So let's soak it down, be generous. Oh my god.
I've never seen any professional engine builders do it this way.
No?
No. Can't say that I
This
have.
is by the book.
Oh, okay. In the Mazda handbook.
In the Haynes manual. Oh shit. Look, it's already starting to diarrhea out of the ports.
Oh yeah, that's already looking better.
Yeah, it's looking real nice.
Mostly everything's aluminum.
Except these studs.
The studs, which we're gonna dry off as soon as we're done. To all the people that don't think we're good enough to work on BMX bikes.
Don't steal my credit card info, Matt. You.
Already did.
I'm gonna try and keep this under $10. Look, it's already firing up.
Uh-oh.
So the head's been soaking for about 10 minutes now. She's ready to go. Oh, I got my glove on backwards. I'm wasting money. This is a mess. You ever see that video where the guy loses control? They play the heavy metal?
Yes.
It's getting way wild in here. Woo!
Play it like a flute.
Once more?
Yeah. Brian! Quick!
What happened?
The studs! They're rusting!
Oh no!
Good job. Getting there nice and deep black. Dude, that seriously did a good job.
It did. And guess what? It costs $5.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know what? It's honestly worth it compared to going home and setting up your own crap.
Yeah. You have to clean up the mess at home.
Yeah. Another one.
How's it looking, buddy?
It's looking a lot better. I need some ear muffs for this.
I don't know. What do you think about this process that we did tonight with Abby's car wash?
I think it's cost effective. It works. I mean, look at her shine. It doesn't lie. Almost ready for assembly. There's nothing wrong with it.
I mean, yeah, it did the job.
It did the job.
All right, we'll see what the comment section thinks.
Oh, they're gonna be lit up with all kinds of comments. Can't wait. Bring them on.
I'm surprised we didn't see any other engine builders there with cylinder heads.
Yeah, Abby's?
Yeah.
They were building a 2JZ in the bay over. You didn't see that?
2JZ. Why are you talking about 2JZs? Why do you got 2JZs on the brain?
I don't know what 2JZs are on the mind.
I don't wonder why.
Nothing about those coming in the future.
No, not at all. 1.4 bitches. Sorry.
What you know about that?
So we're all set, right? The cylinder head is
all done.
It's pretty clean.
Let me get debulkified here. All right, guys. I know this was a quick little stupid video, but we're one step closer to putting this thing back together.
We both work today, and we have to work tomorrow.
Long hours, and we got to be in that office at 7 a.m. So
I want to quit my day job.
yeah.
I'm done.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yes.
See you in the next one.